Aries, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At titingnan natin ang energies na parating sa inyong kaperahan, money, career, finances, ngayong March 2025. So, if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. So, let's see, Aries. What is up ngayong March 2025? Kaperahan. Fertility. So, this is productivity. You will be, parang meron kang ipapanganak na project, trabaho, business, creative na project for some of you na magsisimula ngayong March. So, example, parang maglo-launch ka ng business or sisimulan mo na ang iyong journey sa pag-vlog, 'di ba? Which will lead you to a stable source of income in the future, 'di ba? So, you're going to be very busy and productive ngayong March. You also have peace. So, this is peace of mind, kapayapaan ng isip. I think hindi ka na mag-iisip ng mga stressful na bagay pagdating sa pera, pagdating sa career mo. Kasi alam mo na it works out for you. 'Di ba? Minsan kasi nagpapaka-stress tayo sa isang bagay na hindi naman talaga siya problema. Kaya yung iba pag masyadong laging nagfo-focus doon sa hindi pa naman problema, parang minsan na na-manifest nila, no? So, but for you, you want peace of mind. Kumbaga, focus ka sa goal mo, focus ka sa dahilan ng pagiging busy mo, focus ka sa career mo, sa business mo, and yun yung magbibigay sa'yo ng kapayapaan ng isip. You are also going to focus on taking care of yourself. Hindi porket trabaho, hindi mo na alagaan yung sarili mo. Kasi sarili mo yan eh. Sino ba yung nagtatrabaho? Ikaw, 'di ba? Sino ba yung gumagawa ng pera? Ikaw. So, kailangan alagaan mo rin yung sarili mo. And regardless, yung iba sasabihin, wala naman akong trabaho eh. So, saan ka umaasa? 'Di ba? So, kung sino man yung inaasahan mo financially, you will take care of yourself para sa taong yun. 'Di ba? Para laging may allowance. Okay. Let's see what else. Overall energy mo, you have the Queen of Cups. Wow. This is, yung iba sa inyo, Aries, parang may pregnancy ha. Of course, kung hindi naman ito ang inyong situation, then it's not for you. But, maaring kasi may fertility rin dito. So, concern din yan sa finances. Kasi, di ba, pag nabubuntis, marami ring gastos. Or, for some of you, this is about your creativity. You are tapping into your creative talents and your creative skills. Yung iba, malakas ang inyong instinct, yung intuition ninyo. Yung iba, yan na yung career nyo related to spirituality, spiritual healing, divination. Your challenge is the Three of Wands. So, yung iba sa inyo, Aries, maaaring ang challenge sa inyo is yung growth. Yung parang pag-alis sa comfort zone ninyo. Kasi minsan we tend to be comfortable in a situation na hindi na natin naiisip kung ano pa yung kaya nating gawin. 'Di ba? So ngayon, you will think about other possibilities for your career, for your business na teka, baka kaya ko to or baka maging successful rin ako rito. You'll never know until i-try mo, 'di ba? Wow. Opportunity mo, the Empress. This is abundance. Alam nyo, Aries, yung iba talaga merong pregnancy. Oo, ang lakas ng pregnancy energy. Diyan mo, dalawa silang buntis. Tapos may fertility pa rito. So, of course, kung kayo ay wanting to have a baby, then go for it. Congrats. Pero if hindi pa kayo ready, mag-ingat. Okay? Kasi syempre, baby gastos yan. Oo. Kahit gaano ka-cute pa yung baby, maggastos talaga siya. So, it is still concerning your finances. Okay? But for some of you, you have the opportunity to earn a lot ngayong March. I think related to sa sa tinatrabaho nyo ngayon, sa project nyo ngayon. Yung iba may business na sisimulan ngayong March. So, this will bring you stability, abundance, prosperity. And then your blessing, oh wow! Blessing ninyo, 3 of Cups, which is celebration. Meron ka achievement sa career, sa business mo na isi-celebrate nyo. For some of you, pwedeng ito ay promotion sa trabaho, increase ng inyong income, or yung inyong another source of income ay lumalaki yung kinikita nyo dyan. Side hustle nyo or related to your creative work. Kasi sa panahon ngayon, hindi na lang pagiging empleyado ang source of income, 'di ba? So may celebration, maaring lalabas kayo with your friends, with your family, with your loved ones to celebrate an achievement. And yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong makikilala ngayong March na meron siyang makakatulong siya sa pagpapaunlad ng iyong network. Like a very important person na tutulong sa'yo. Or pwede mong maging contact para i-direct ka sa mga tamang tao para mapaunlad mo yung finances mo. Meron kayong kailangang i-resolve na issue na yung iba sa inyo tinatakasan talaga. O parang hindi nyo pinapansin. Kailangan nyo munang ayusin to para hindi siya sumagabal sa inyong mga plano. And also, some of you, this can be a business partnership or papasukin yung kontrata, agreement, collaboration. Kailangan mong basahin ng maigi yung kontrata. Kasi pwedeng meron ka dong hindi mapansin, tapos eventually maging problema siya in the future. Okay? So, ito ay isang paalala sa inyo. To be careful. And then, ano tong uncertain na to? Oh. You have to protect your energy, Aries. Kasi alam nyo, di ba ganon? Kapag the more na nagiging successful yung isang tao, maraming nagbabago sa buhay niya, maraming improvement, lalo na financially, people might, parang focus their attention sa'yo na paano mo nagagawa yon. And maaring merong mga mainggit on the side, okay? So, low-key. Low-key lang. Kasi sa ngayon, wala, kumbaga, kung fulfilled ka sa sarili mo, wala ka naman ng kailangang patunayan sa iba. 'Di ba? Ang importante is you are feeling, you are experiencing what you really want. Yung iba sa inyo, you are divinely guided. May realization kayo of your true calling. You also have a lot of options. Kaya lang you have to make good choices. Kasi pwedeng meron kayong mapili dito na hindi nyo pinag-isipan, tapos eventually maging problema nyo. So ayun na nga, maaring yung mga pinapasok nyo na agreement, contracts, be careful. Universal laws and truths are now being revealed. Use this energy to create your reality. So I think you have this realization of who you really are, ano talaga yung gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo, ano yung calling mo, ano yung purpose mo, nagiging malinaw na sa'yo yon. Like purpose mo sa career, sa trabaho, or saan nililid ka kung saan ka mas magkakaroon ng fulfilling na pamumuhay. New opportunities and choices are opening to you now. Claim them. O, diba? New opportunities and choices. Ayan, choices. So, maraming options available sa'yo. So, you just need to think, reassess the situation, maging detail-oriented ka. Oo. Para pag nag-decide ka, talagang sure na sure ka. Kasi alam mo, pinag-isipan mo, pinag-aralan mo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. See you again.